Our garbage ends up in some of the strangest places. Here, for instance, in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, where ocean currents have moved tons of plastic together into a giant floating patch of plastic garbage. Scientists estimate it is about 10 million tons of garbage. To put it another way, that weighs the same as 20 million polar bears. But all that garbage is spread out over a very large area, so you could also measure the area. It is difficult to say just how large it is, but everyone agrees that it is about as big as the entire province of Saskatchewan, about 650,000 square kilometers. If we assume that the garbage is floating in the first meter of water, we can calculate the volume. Remembering that a meter is 0.001 kilometers, we have 650,000 square kilometers times 0.001 kilometers, which gives us a volume of 650 cubic kilometers. Now, having a single ship collect a volume that large is pretty crazy. You need a giant-sized ship. But maybe we can solve our problem starting from a different point. Picture the neighborhood garbage truck that can crush garbage as it collects it. If you crush the garbage as you collect it, you'd have less volume to carry in a ship. It turns out you can crush half a ton of plastic bottles into a cube about 1 cubic meter. So if you crushed 10 million tons of plastic, you'd have 20 million 1-meter bales of plastic garbage, or a volume of 20 million cubic meters. The biggest bulk cargo ship that exists today has a capacity of around 200,000 cubic meters. So let's say we can buy a bunch of these super cargo ships. How many would we need? 200,000 goes into 20 million 100 times. We'd need 100 super cargo ships. That's a lot of ships. But without squeezing all that plastic down into a smaller volume, you'd need many, many more. Either way, it is one giant cleanup job. So maybe it's better not to make plastic garbage in the first place.